Indians will be getting vaccinated for coronavirus vaccine in coming few months. Earlier this week, the government health ministry have given certain instructions and information regarding the vaccine. Let's check it out. Will everyone be vaccinated at one time? No. We all know that India is a home to 120 crore people and getting all of them vaccinated at the same time will be difficult. So, people like doctors, healthcare workers, nurses, local pharmacists, age group above 50 years, people who are less than 50 years but suffering from serious diseases, or the primary batch who will be given the vaccine on priority. Is it mandatory to take the vaccine? No, it is not mandatory to take the vaccine, but it is definitely advisable to take it and cut down the spread of virus. Will the vaccine be safe as it is being tested and introduced in a very short period of time? Yeah, before India, a lot of countries like Russia, USA, London have already started giving vaccination to the public. So definitely Indian government is gathering about the safety, the responses of these vaccines, and also all of these vaccines go through a safe trial here in India. Can a person presently having confirmed coronavirus or suspected coronavirus infection be vaccinated? No, it is better not to get vaccinated if you are having coronavirus. When a person with coronavirus come to the vaccination center, they could possibly infect people around them. So it is highly advisable to go to the vaccination centers when coronavirus symptoms in your body disappear. Is it necessary for a COVID recovered person to take the vaccine? Yes, this will reduce the risk of getting reinfected with coronavirus. Out of the multiple vaccines available, how is one or more vaccine chosen for administration? All the vaccines that are released into the market are same as they are thoroughly tested with equal safety measurements. Does India have the capacity to store the COVID 19 vaccine at a temperature which is 2 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius and transport them at this required temperature? Guys, India in the world has run the largest vaccination programs so far. So, with this vaccination program, our systems will become more strengthened, hopefully. Will the vaccine introduced in India be as effective as the ones introduced in other countries? Yes, if it is the same company. So, what are the steps for getting vaccinated? Registration is mandatory. You cannot get vaccinated without getting registered. Check if you are eligible for vaccination. So, you have to check if you are in an age group greater than 50, or if you are in an age group less than 50 but suffering from serious diseases, or if you belong to a frontline worker like a doctor, nurse, local pharmacist. If you don't belong to either of these categories, your application might be processed lately. You have to register online by providing mobile number. Guys, India is a developing country and not all of us have internet access at home. I believe government will make registration process much easier, but as an individual, help the uneducated people around you. Say the maid at your home, newspaper boy, milkman, watchman in your apartment, lonely elderly people. If you are in a rural area, help members of your village to get vaccinated. Once registered, government will check the eligibility and will notify to your registered mobile number the place, the date and time to receive vaccine. What are the steps you have to do at the vaccination center? You have to submit an ID with photo. You can provide driving license, health insurance smart card issued under the scheme of Ministry of Labor, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Job Card, MGNREGA Job Card, official identity cards issued to MPs, MLAs, MLCs, PAN card, passbooks issued by banks or post office, passport, pension document, service identity card issued to employee by central or state government or public limited companies, voter ID. Also, whatever ID you provide during registration, the same ID must be taken to the vaccination center. Guys, check it out. There is no Aadhaar card mentioned in this. Without ID proof, you won't be given vaccine even if you reach the center. Precautions to be taken at the center. Maintain 6 feet distance. Wearing mask is compulsory. Sanitize your hand now and then. The most important thing, after taking vaccine, stay for at least 30 minutes in the vaccination center. If you feel any discomfort or you feel some abnormal changes in the body, immediately tell the authorities in the center. So guys, please stay for 30 minutes in the center without negligence. What are the side effects when you take the COVID-19 vaccine? Vaccines generally have some mild side effects. You may suffer from headache, body pains, mild fever. But if you feel something is very aggressive, please report to the authorities. Is it all? Are we free from coronavirus? No. We must take 2 doses of vaccine. The second vaccine must be taken 28 days after the first vaccine. When you go second time to the center, take all the precautions and the documents required. Also, it is better to get vaccinated of a same company. Hooray! Are you now less prone to coronavirus? No. It at least takes 2 weeks for antibodies to develop in your body after getting vaccinated. In simple words, it takes 2 weeks for the vaccine to show its results. Okay, am I free from mask? Can I now throw it? Sorry, no. Even after receiving the COVID-19 vaccine, we must continue taking all the precautions like face cover, masks, hand sanitization, and maintain social distancing until everyone else around us get vaccinated and or substantially free from coronavirus.